Hello everyone, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Welcome to UDAAN Deepak YouTube channel and I am Deepak. Now let us begin with the discussion of the most important that is the model question paper 3 of the SSLC board examination which is issued by Karnataka School Examination and Assessment Board. So I will be discussing the all the key answers in this session. So let us begin our discussion on this. Hello Snehit, hello, then Chaitra is there, Harsh. So Abraham, good evening, yes, good evening dear. Then we are having Samrud, Kusuma, excellent. Most of your students are online and taking the advantage of live classes. Sujit, nice. So Harshad is there, Mahendra is there. I am your new subscriber, Mahendra. Thank you so much for subscription, Mahendra. Then we are having Sagar, Hazan is there, Niranjan. Very good. Most students are online and now let us not waste time. I want you to tell me the answer. So Pavan, I am excellent dear. How are you? So I see here the board has issued two more question papers now, that is model question paper 3 and model question paper 4. All the 4 question papers you people should be thoroughly knowing. Remember, before your preparatory, that is state level preparatory, which is on 25th, each and everyone should be thoroughly perfect for your upcoming exam, that is 4 model question papers you should be knowing. And the difficulty level what you feel in question paper, same thing you can feel it in a state level. If you can manage confidently, you can manage the state level preparatory, take it from me, the board exam level will be same only. So ನೀವು ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮುಟ್ಟಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇಟರಿಗೆ ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ಭಾಳ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬಿಡಿಸಲೇಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇಟರಿ ಭಾಳ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೋಲೇಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಎಸ್, ಸೊ ಸಾಗರ್, ಹೆಲೋ ಸಾಗರ್, ನೈಸ್ ಟು ಸಿ ಯು ಆನ್ಲೈನ್. ನಾವು ನಾಟ್ ವೇಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಚ್ ಟೈಮ್ and you know that the total marks allocated for physics, yes, I tell you physics ige. So for total marks for physics is 27, whereas total marks for chemistry is 25 and total marks for biology is 28. You ಮೂರು ಏನಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ತಪ್ಪದೆ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ಏನೋ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇವು ಮೂರರಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಓದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ 27 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ, ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ 25 ಮತ್ತು ಬಯಾಲಜಿ 28 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ. ಸೊ ನಾಟ್ ವೇಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಚ್ ಟೈಮ್, ಪಟಾಪಟ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ನೀವು ಕೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ತಲೆಯೊಳಗೆ ಕುಂತು ಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ. ಓದಿದ್ರೆ ನೆನಪಿಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದನ್ನು ಏನೈತಿ ನೆನಪಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಭಾಳ ಸರಳ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ನೋ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಎಸ್ ಡಿಯರ್ ಪ್ರಿಯಾ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್, ಲೋಕೇಶ್, ದೆನ್ ಚೇತನ್, ಹೆಲೋ ಚೇತನ್. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಪಟಾಪಟ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿ. ದ ಎಸ್ ಐ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್, ಸೊ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಸ್ ಐ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ನೋ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಏನು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರೀತೀರಿ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ನಿರ್ಮಲಾ, ಹೆಲೋ ನಿರ್ಮಲಾ, ನೈಸ್ ಟು ಸಿ ಯು ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಡಿಯರ್. So Nirmala Adaru, then my Josh level is 100 sir, so interesting. Mahendra, excellent. So fast ಆಗಿ ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಆಂಪಿಯರ್, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ಎಸ್ ಐ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಏನು ಬರ್ತೈತಿ? ಆಂಪಿಯರ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕೂಲೂಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಐ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟ್? ಚಾರ್ಜ್. ಸೊ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಎಸ್ ಐ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? ಕೂಲೂಮ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ potential difference. Okay, if you can see here potential difference ಅಥವಾ voltage, potential difference ಅಥವಾ voltage ಅನ್ನ what will you get? SI unit is volt. Similarly watt, power ಅದ SI unit ಏನು ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? ವ್ಯಾಟ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ. ಸೊ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನೋ ದಿಸ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಮೂರು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನೈತಿ ನೆನಪಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೇಬೇಕು. ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ಬಯೋ ಲೈಫ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಟು ಲರ್ನ್. ಹರ್ಷ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತೈತೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಏನೈತಿ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಓದ್ಬಿಡಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಕನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಕೀ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಓದಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ನಾವು ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ದ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇನ್ ಫೋಕಲ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ಆನ್ ಐ ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ಡ್ ಬೈ, ನಮ್ಮ ಕಣ್ಣಿನ, ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫೋಕಲ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಏನೈತಲ್ಲ ಯಾರು ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರು? ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೀಲರಿ ಮಸಲ್ಸ್, ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ಯೂಪಿಲ್, ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ರೆಟಿನಾ ಆರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಐರಿಶ್. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ನೋ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಎಸ್, ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದಿಕ್ರೂತ್ ಇಸ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಸಿ ಡಿಯರ್. ಸೊ very good, magical words. Then Alia is there. So yes dear, so let me know. Yeah, most of you are telling A. Yes, it is ciliary muscles. See, the change in focal length of an eye is controlled by what? Ciliary muscles. So you know ciliary muscles ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ ಹೇಳಿ? So they help in the thickening and thinning of the eye lens. So ನಿಮ್ಮ eye lens automatic ಆಗಿ thin ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ, thick ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. So you know power of accommodation that is ability of a eye lens to adjust its focal length by thickening and thinning of the eye lens. It is because of ciliary muscles. Then what does this pupil do? See, this is your eye and this is the iris, and the black dot is called as pupil, and that pupil controls the amount of light that is entering the eye. Similarly, retina is a part of the eye where the image is formed, and iris is a color pigment. You can just see the brown eyes, blue eyes, green eyes. It is because of cat eyes. It is because of iris. Iris is a color pigment which is present in the eye. Okay, and you should know all these definitions easily. Okay, so now let us move on to what discussion of the next one fastly. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ first one ನೋಡಬಹುದು, write the symbols of the following components used in electric circuit. ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಸಿಂಬಲ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಐತಿ. ಸೊ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ಹೇಳಿ, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಹೌ ವಿಲ್ ಯು ಡೂ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಡೂ ಟು, ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರಿ, ಸೊ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. ನೆನಪಿಡ್ಕೋರಿ, ಇದು ಒಂದು ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಇಫ್ ಯು ಡೂ ಟು ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ವಾಟ್, ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ. ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್, ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ? ಅ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಲ್ is called what? Battery. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ರಿಯೋಸ್ಟಾಟ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಲ್ ಇನ್ ಒನ್. ಸೊ ರಿಯೋಸ್ಟಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ರಿಯೋಸ್ಟಾಟ್. ಆರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ವಾಟ್, just put one arrow mark here, either this or this, one of them is considered right. Okay, I hope you people are connecting. Yes, battery hata correct. So ille cell helidare, you should draw one, don't draw multiple because it will become battery here. Then coming to the next one, so next question ille nodi, what problem will occur? I hope it is visible. What problem will occur when the live wire and the neutral wires are connected directly to the household electrical appliances from electric poles? ಈಗ one ಕೈ ಒಳಗೆ ನೀವು ಏನು ತಗೋರಿ, you take live wire that is red color, in one hand you take black wire that is neutral wire. If you touch, suddenly what will happen is there is what, overloading ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. So it causes what, it causes overloading, or it is also called as what, short circuiting ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. So overloading ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ, when you connect multiple appliance, multiple switches in a particular appliances connect ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ overloading ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. Again it will lead to short circuit. Short circuit ದಾಗ ಏನು ಬರ್ತೈತಿ, ಸ್ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್. Then next one, connecting resistors in parallel in domestic circuit is better than connecting them in series. So why? So ನೀವು parallel ಗೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, series ದಾಗ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಏನು changes ಐತಿ? See, when you connect them in parallel alla, the current for each electrical appliances will be what, given properly. Andre suppose there is a bulb here, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟ ಸಿಗ್ತೈತಿ. there is a TV, so ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟ ಸಿಗ್ತೈತಿ. that is because of parallel. And in parallel, if one of the component fails, ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಫೇಲ್ ಆಯಿತು, then the other component is work as usual. See, in parallel circuit, each connected component receives the required amount of current. ಸೊ ನೆನಪಿಡ್ಕೊರಿ, ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ದಾಗ ಪ್ರತಿ ಒಂದು ಕಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ಏನೈತಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್. ದೆನ್ ಗ್ಯಾಜೆಟ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಆಪರೇಟೆಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ. ಇಫ್ ಒನ್ ಕಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ಫೇಲ್ಸ್, ಈಗ ಯಾವ್ದು ಒಂದು ಕಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ಫೇಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ, ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ದ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಸ್ ಯೂಶುವಲ್. ಮುಂದಿನ ಏನೈತಲ್ಲ ಅವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವು. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆರ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಮೀ. ಎಸ್ ಡಿಯರ್, ಎಸ್ 3, tomorrow I will do what, 4. Okay, see how do magnetic field lines appear when the electric current passes through a circular loop of the conducting wire. Suppose ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ circular loop ಐತಿ. Suppose this is like this. Okay, ಇದು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಐತಿ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ಹೇಳಿ, if I just connect like this, you can see here they will be what, in the form of circles. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, they will be in the form of what, the magnetic field lines in the form of circles. So it is which circles those are? We call them as concentric circle. Remember, the magnetic field lines appear as concentric circles at every point on the circular loop. ಅವು every point of circular loop ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾವು? They will appear like what, the concentric circles. Remember, the answer here is what, concentric circles ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾವು. Okay, so yes, Now I hope a very good Mahendra, you have given the right answer. Then what explain the function of earth wire in domestic circuit? See, domestic circuit alli earth wire ಏನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So you know that the earth wire provides what? Low resistance. Okay, see, suppose you are using what? Heavy AC ಆಯಿತು, heavy electrical appliances like washing machine, refrigerator. For that more current is required. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು without ಏನೈತಿ without any earthing connect ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರಿ, the metallic surface will give what? Charges, and due to which if you just try to touch, you will get what? Electric shock. So the earth wire provides a low resistance conducting for current. It ensures that any leakage of current to the metallic body of the appliances, and it keeps the potential to the that of earth. ನೆನಪಿಡ್ಕೋರಿ, it ensures that leakage, ಅದು ಕರೆಂಟಿಗೆ ಲೀಕೇಜ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, and the metallic body, ಅದು ಏನು metallic body ಇರ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ ಆ ಲೀಕೇಜ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, and keeps it potential to that of earth. It protects the user from severe electric shock. So suddenly ನೀವು ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, severe electric shock ಆಯಿತು, ಅದು ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಏನೈತಿ, this question will come. Yes, Pisco, Manan, very good dear, you people are connecting, excellent it is. Then you can see the figure here, observe the following figure and answer the question. So ಈ ಫಿಗರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು, and you know that this figure is what? It is related to the rainbow. Remember this figure ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, this figure talks about what? Rainbow, and here it is sunlight, it is bending, this is raindrop, and you can see the 7 colors coming. Now question is whether this phenomenon can be observed on the moon surface. Justify the answer. ನೀವು ಇದು ಮೂನ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಬಹುದಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ, ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ಮೂನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಮೂನ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಅಟ್ಮಾಸ್ಫಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಲೈಟ್ಗಳು ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾವು? ಬ್ಲೂ ಕಲರ್ ಸ್ಕೈ ಆಯಿತು, ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ಸನ್ರೈಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸನ್ಸೆಟ್ ರೆಡ್ ಕಲರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆರೆಂಜ್ ಕಲರ್ ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತೈತಿ? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟ್? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಲೈಟ್ ಏನೈತಲ್ಲ, ಈಚ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಏರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ, ಡಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಿಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ವಾಟ್? ದ ಬೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಟ್, ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ವಿಚ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ multiple colors. So here the answer is what? No, you cannot see such a rainbow formation on moon, because formation of rainbow involves scattering of light by atmospheric particles. So atmospheric particles ಏನದಾವ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, and the moon has no atmosphere to scatter light. ಮೂನಿನಲ್ಲಿ atmosphere ಇಲ್ಲ, so light ಏನೈತಿ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಂಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. Yes, because there is no atmosphere. Sujit, excellent dear, you are given the right answer. Then explain an activity to verify what Fleming's left hand rule. Already you know Fleming's left hand rule ಏನೈತಿ, ಅದು activity in model question paper 1. there is a figure, horseshoe magnet ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. So one aluminum rod is suspended. When you pass the current, it will deflect on the left side. So if you just thoroughly read the model question paper 1, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ. Yes, Kusuma, Chetan, excellent dear. So place a strong horseshoe magnet in such a way that the rod lies between the two poles with the magnetic field directed upward. For this, put the north pole of the magnet vertically below and south pole vertically above the aluminum rods. Connect the aluminum rod in series with the battery, a key and a rheostat. Now pass a current through the aluminum rod from end B to end A. The rod AB will displace. Reverse the direction of current flowing through the rods. Now the rod displaces in the opposite direction. I hope you know this figure here. The previously we have done. So ನೀವು ನೋಡಿರಬಹುದು, this is the horseshoe magnet. Here the aluminum rod ಏನೈತಿ suspend ಮಾಡ್ತಾರು, and it is connected to the electric cell. So when you pass the current, what? It will move. So ನೆನಪಿಡ್ಕೋರಿ, ಫಿಗರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ ಸಾಕು. Then draw the ray diagram. So already the ray diagram you can see of the image formation in a convex lens. When the object is placed between optic center O and principal focus F1, mention the position and nature of the image formed. So how will you do this? I'll just redraw one more time so that you people will connect to me. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಒಂದು ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, this is the lens, and you should draw one straight line passing through this, and you should draw this dotted line here. This is center O. Now this is F1, this is 2 F1, again this is F2, and this is 2 F2. So where the object is kept between O and F1, O ಮತ್ತು F1 ನಡುವೆ ಏನೈತಿ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, you can place here. Then what will happen next is it will go and touch here and it will pass through F2. So I hope you are connecting to me. ಇಲ್ಲಿ equal distance ಇರಬೇಕು. 3 cm ಇಲ್ಲೇ 3 cm ತಗೋರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೇ 3 cm, ಇಲ್ಲೇ 3 cm ತಗೊಂಬಿಡಿ. Then what will happen is directly it will pass through what? O. But you can see here instead of meeting they are diverging. ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಹಾಕತ್ತಾರ ಹೇಳಿ ಡೈವರ್ಜ್ ಆಗಕತ್ತೈತಿ. So you just produce backward. You backward ಗೆ produce ಮಾಡಿ. They will meet what? Here. They will meet somewhere here, you can assume. Now this is the final diagram. You should able to draw like this. Now where the image is formed, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲಕ್ಷ ಕಟ್ ನೋಡಿ. So image is formed on the same side of object. So this is object, ಇದು object ಐತಿ and this is image. So image ಎಲ್ಲೇ form ಆಗೈತಿ ಹೇಳಿ, it is on the same side of the object. So you can see where the image is formed on the same side of the lens as the object. ಎಲ್ಲೇ lens ಐತಿ, object ಐತಿ, other side ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. And what is the size? You can see object is this much, then the image is what? Enlarged. It is enlarged. And since it is seedha, adu ulta illa, seedha iti, therefore you can find what? It is a virtual and erect. So you can find here what? It is virtual and erect. I hope you people are connecting. Ellargu artha aglikateti. If you are finding yes sir, light 3 mark, yes dear, it is fixed. Now moving on to what? The next one. Observe the figure given below. Name the defect of the eye depicted in the figure. What causes this defect? How can this defect be corrected? So, idu ya defect heli? See, this is retina. Okay, idu enaithe heli? This is what? This point is what? Retina here. So, ee point enaitalla, this is retina and the image is formed what? Behind retina. That means this is what? Hypermetropia, or it is called as far-sightedness. It is called as what? Far-sightedness. So why it is called far-sightedness? When the image is formed far from the retina, it is called far-sightedness. When the image is formed in front of retina, it is called near-sightedness. Okay, sorry. See, this is called as what? Far-sightedness. And what are the causes for this? See, the first cause ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಹೇಳಿ, the focal length of the eye lens is too long. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ ಹೇಳಿ, focal length ಏನೈತಿ increase ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ. So you can just see here, this focal length ಏನೈತಲ್ಲ, this focal length, that means the lens will become very thin and the focal length of the eye becomes what? Very yes sir, ray diagram are still confusing. Pallavi is telling no dear, you should practice thoroughly. In subsequent session I will take the how to draw what ray diagrams. I will make one video so that you never get what wrong in drawing the ray diagram. Then the second condition for this is what? The eyeball has become too small. Eyeball ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಭಾಳ ಸಣ್ಣದಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ, due to which you can find what? This defects. Then how to correct this? You can correct this using what? Convex lens of appropriate power or a suitable power. Then stars twinkle but planets do not twinkle. Edake heli star twinkle ಆಗ್ತಾವ but planets twinkle ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. See, because stars twinkle, you know why? Because of atmospheric refraction. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋರಿ, stars edake twinkle ಆಗ್ತಾವು? It is because of atmospheric refraction. Very good Tejashwini, Moksha, excellent dear. So reason is elongation of eyeball, increased focal length. Excellent. Eyeball the size decreases. Yes, Tejashwini, very good. So most of you are giving the right answer, and that shows the level of interest you people are showing. Now the planets do not twinkle. Why? Because the planets are very near to the earth. See, they are very close to the earth and thus seen as extended sources. If the planet is considered as collection of many point side sources of light, ಈಗ ನೀವು ಪ್ಲಾನೆಟಿಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಲೈಟ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಲ್ಲಿಫೈ, ಅದ್ರ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಏನಿರ್ತೈತಿ ಜೀರೋ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಇಫ್ ದ ಪ್ಲಾನೆಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೆನಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಟ್, ದ ನೆಟ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಲೈಟ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಜೀರೋ, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿಫೈಸ್ ದ ಟ್ವಿಂಕ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್. Okay, I hope you got it. Next, a convex mirror that has a radius of curvature 4 meter, it is used in a bus. If the car is located at a distance of how much? distance of 10 meter from the mirror, then find the image distance, mention the nature and size of the image form. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರ್ವೇಚರ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರ್ವೇಚರ್? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 4 meter. Then what is focal length? Focal length is r by 2, it is 4 by 2, 2 ones are 2 twos are, so it is 2 meter. Then since it is convex lens, remember it is convex mirror. Okay, so this is positive, f is positive here. Why? Because it is convex. Nana pidukore convex ittandre f ಏನು ಬರ್ತೈತಿ, positive ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. Then they have given what object distance, u is what, minus 10 meter. We need to find v ಗೆ ಏನೈತಿ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿಬೇಕಾಗ್ತೈತಿ. Now mirror formula, can you tell me what is mirror formula here? Mirror formula ಏನು ಬರ್ತೈತಿ? See, mirror formula is 1 upon v plus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f, 1 upon v. So v we need to find, u is how much? Minus 10. So you can see here u is minus 10 is equal to 1 upon f, 1 upon v, plus into minus will become minus. So f we know it is plus 2. I can write it as half. You transfer this here. ಏನು ಬಂತು? 1 upon v is 1 by 2 plus 1 upon 10. Take LCM. 2 5s are 2 1s are. So 1 upon v is equal to 5 plus 1 by 10. So 1 upon v ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು? 6 by 10. V is equal to 10 by 6 meter. That means v is equal to 6 1s are 6, then 6 6 are 36, 1.66666 meter it will come. Now this will not give you the answer to solve. You should find what? Magnification. How will you find? M is equal to minus v by u. So m is equal to v ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದೈತೆ ನೋಡಿ, 10 by 6 you take. Okay, you take 10 by 6. U is minus 10. This is minus cancel ಆಯಿತು, 10 cancel ಆಯಿತು. M is 1 by 6. M is 0.6666. You will get. Okay, I hope you are connecting. ಈಗ m is equal to 0.6666 ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತು. Now what to find now? Next one. See, m is less than 1. That means it is virtual and direct. ಅದು ಏನು ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ಹೇಳಿ? Virtual and direct ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. And m is positive. That means it is what? Positive means virtual and direct. Less than 1 is it is diminished. Okay, so I hope you are connecting. Like this you should be able to solve this sum. Okay, now coming to the next one. Okay, you can see the total answer is 1.66 meter. Nature of image is virtual and direct, and it is smaller in size. Then the last question you can see here. See, state Ohm's law. What is Ohm's law? Ohm's law states that at constant temperature, the potential difference V across the ends of a given metallic wire in an electric circuit is directly proportional to the current flowing through it, provided temperature remains constant. And you should write the formula V is equal to I into R. Voltage is directly proportional to current. Voltage will become V is equal to I into R bartiti. Then mention the factors on which the resistance of a conductor depends. So you know the resistance of a conductor depends on what? 4 factors. Which are the 4 factors? First one is length of conductor, second one is area of cross section of conductor, third one is nature of material of conductor, and the fourth one is temperature of conductor. Okay, now the next question is, see, resistivity of material A is 10 raised to 12 ohm meter, and the resistivity of material B ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, it is 2.63 into 10 raised to minus 8 ohm meter. Which of these two material can be used? So it is 10 raised to 12 ohm meter. Okay, as an insulator. See, material A is used as an insulator because it is having high resistance. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ material A ಏನು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ, it has high resistance because it is 10 raised to 12, whereas material B ಏನಾಯ್ತಿ, it is 2.63 into 10 raised to minus 8. If more the resistance, you will get what? Less the current. So due to which it is, so material A ಏನಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ having more resistivity, due to which it is used as an insulator. Insulator are the ones which does not allow the electricity to pass through them. Example, plastic aitu, rubber aitu, glass, they don't allow. Therefore material A enaitalla, because its resistivity is high, it is used for as an insulator. Okay, so with this I will finish this session. Subsequently I will discuss chemistry and biology in next session, so that we will go fastly. Okay, so very good. So I'll just stop this session here due to some Yes, so let us move on to the next session. Till then, take care and have a good day. Keep learning, keep growing. Take care, everyone.